Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna discuss with you how you can blur objects in your videos on YouTube. What you need to do is you need to go to youtube.com and then you need to go to your channel. You need to click on this icon here and then you need to click on YouTube Studio, and here your channel dashboard will open. You need to click on content, or if it's not written content, it will be written videos. You need to click on that and the list of your videos will appear here. So you need here to select the video that you want to make the blurring effects in it. If you can see, I put this video on private mode where nobody will see it except me. You can do the same until you make the blurring effects that you need, and you make the fixes that you need, and then you can put it on public. You can publish it publicly. Now you need to select the video that you need to make the blurring effects. So I'm gonna go ahead and select this video. After doing that, I need to go and scroll down on my left hand side and click on editor. After clicking on editor, the video will appear here, and I need to scroll down and click on blur parts of your video. So I'm gonna click there. Two options appear: face blur or custom blur. I will discuss about both options, but first I will discuss on custom blur. So I'm gonna click on custom blur. If you can see, now there is a blurring window has appeared on the video, and here the options of the blurring. So the first option is that the timing is there. Here we need to put from what time to what time we need the blurring window to appear. Here there is a suggestion of a time from 0 seconds until 8 seconds. So I can change it. I can put it depending on my requirement. Let's say from 10 seconds until 25 seconds. Okay, so now the window has disappeared, but if we move the time until 16 seconds, like the time here is 16 seconds, we see the 16 second fall between these two dimensions. We see that the window has appeared here. Okay, so I'm gonna return it here to 0. Now if I scroll down from here, I will see that there is 4 options. The first one is the blur shape. This is to select the shape of the blur. I can make it rectangular or square or oval, and I can make it as a circle as well, or stretch it more and more. So these are the two options about the shape. The second one is the blur behavior, and as you can see that there is two options: one track object and one fixed blurring position. Track object, which means that it will track the object that we put the blur on. Let's say I am putting the blur on this image here to track this image, to cover this image. So if this image behind it is moving, the blur will move with it as well. Now if I put fixed blur position, so even if the image behind the blurring effect is moving, the object the blurring window will not change its position. It will still the same place. It will stay the same place. Okay, so now there is one more option which you can do, is that you can add many blurring window if you need to cover many objects in the same video. In this case you need to go and click on blur, and let's say you want to go on custom blur. You see another window has opened, and now you want to make it from, let's say, 10 to 25. So I'm gonna change the timing here. You see here there is two blurring windows, and you can select as well the time from here. So this is the first window, blurring window, and this is the second blurring window. The first one, you can change the time from down. You see, if you move here, as well as it will select the time as well, and you can change it from this side also, or you can change the time directly from here. The second one, when you select it, you can change the time from here, or from here as well as from here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the two positions. I'm gonna play the video and show you the two windows. Now, as we can see here, that this is the time. So first, at the start of the video, there will be no blurring effect, no blurring windows, and then the first one will start, then the second one, and then after a few seconds, there will be only one window, and then both windows will disappear. So we're gonna check it just to make sure that this is going on properly. So this is the first window has appeared. Now the second should appear as well. Both of them should be appearing, as you can see here, as both are appearing. And after a few seconds, only the second blur will continue to appear, which is this one, and this one will disappear. You see the blurring effect here have disappeared, and now this one will also disappear after the time has passed the time limit of the second one. Now the last option is to make a blur, the face blur. So if you want to make another face blur, you need to click on blur here and go on face blur. And here it's giving me the options, the faces in my video. So I need to select the face. Let's say I want to select this face. Apply. Okay. Now let's see if this face is at the beginning of the video. We can see it here. So let's see if the blurring effect have been selected. You see here it is covering the face of this person. Now that there is 3 windows running on. Now we can as well change the time. So I'm gonna just put it on pause, put the video on pause. We can change the time of the blurring effects. Let's say here, because this face is not appearing 18 seconds, so let's say if I want to make it at 10 seconds, I can put it here at 10 seconds, and the cover of the face will go only for 10 seconds instead of appearing for 18 seconds. So I'm gonna just repeat it just to see. So this is here the time running, we can see it here, and now it will disappear at 10 seconds. It has disappeared. So we see that the face has appeared again without the blurring, so we need to increase it to 13 seconds. Now I'm just showing you how you can maneuver through the timing and putting many different windows, and you can change the size of each window. You can put it to track the object, or you can fix it. So you can maneuver all over the video like this. I think with that I have covered all the points of blurring videos. If in case you still have any clarification, you want to know anything more, or you have clarifications, drop me a comment. I will be glad to answer you. As well as, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you will be notified to watch my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and goodbye.